Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
I'm turning on.
We're gonna go wipe off that guy's window and his license plate.
He's standing right there.
I'm gonna do it.
The Giants requested an interview with Cardinals VP and player personnel Quentin Harris for the team's general manager job. Harris is a former Giants safety. He's been working closely with Cardinals general manager Steve Keim, managing the college and pro personnel departments in Arizona. The Broncos reportedly have a long list of candidates for their head coaching.
Yeah, I was wrong when she,
Did y'all start a blade?
I don't know when she started. It was late or not.
Ooh! Oh, he just hit your car.
Who?
They hit your car.
Which one?
The car behind you.
What?
Wow. Well done on Dashcam.
You know they had to do that because there's so many people moving in here. Yeah. Oh, no headlights. Ooh, that would have been bad.
He was Wayne. What is your fucking problem, man?
He don't care about the sounds
No,
that he
don't.
makes.
I think he
on
forgets that
air.
there's a microphone there sometimes.
I've been drinking.
Nah. Your dad wasn't your dad in the streets a little bit too?
Yeah, on his way to the airport. Peanuts.
Can you use one of the parking spaces so we can all get in? Can you fit in one of the parking spaces so we can all get in, please?
I saw them walk into the restroom and I fell asleep. I'm so glad I have that. I should have trucked him. Are you filming the blower behind me?
Exactly.
Yeah.
It's for so what's going?
You won't back up to 10 feet, so I can pull into the parking space so you can get around me.
Yeah, I'm not filming your face. Okay.
Yeah, that's what I meant. Yeah, he's just refusing to move for me to get out of the way.
I'll go ask him.
If you can convince him to move up so I can get around
Yeah.
him, then whatever.
Sir, I can get you. Hey, look, I can help you get out. If you could just back up 10 feet and move in there, he can move around you. If you could do that, please, sir, then we can get.
Call the police.
No, we don't need the police, sir. Please, sir, I'm disabled. I'll help you get out of here, buddy. Please, I'm disabled too, sir. I want to help you. Okay, I'm not going to carry on with this. Hey, sir, I'm sorry. I'm disabled too. He's somewhat disabled. He keeps telling me to call the police. I don't want to do that.
That's what he's doing to me too.
So, I don't want to call the police for this sort of nonsense. It's not worth your
pointless
time.
when he can move 10 feet and I can get her, like, what he wants, he asked me to back up and move over so he can get close to a fence.
I know. I don't know if he's got. I don't know why he's doing this or what. You know. But it's this sort of stuff I like to film in my community, just sort of show them the madness that goes on here. I'll try one more time, sir. Come on. Sir, please. Please, sir. I'm begging you. I'm disabled too. I want to help you. Okay? I want to help you, buddy. We don't need the police, sir.
Help, call the police, please.
Why do you need the police, sir?
I'm desperate. I'm in danger. I feel danger. I feel threatened by him.
He seems like a gentleman. Sir, you're a gentleman. He's a gentleman. There's no need for this. Sir, if you don't cooperate, I'm going to leave then. Okay, well, take care, sir.
Just freeze. Fire. Yes. Like they just did it. He doesn't even know.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.